के तंबूरे में दो सांसों के तार बोले जय सिया राम राम जय राधे श्याम श्याम जय सिया का हुआ बसेरा अब तो दुश्मन के मंदिर में प्रभु का हुआ बसेरा प्रभु का हुआ बसेरा मगन हुआ मन मेरा छूटा में मन की मुरलिया में सुर का सिंगार बोले जय सिया राम राम लीला धारी से जगीर जगमग ज्योति जगीर जगमग ज्योति
Un pasito pa'lante, María. 1, 2, 3. Un pasito. Pero este negro si te quieres enamorar. Así es María. La caliente mía. Un pasito pa'lante, María. Un pasito pa'lante.
Scholar and an administrator of eminence. Mr. Chauhan obtained his bachelor's degree from University of Lucknow. After clearing his BCS in the year 1998, Mr. Chauhan has held very important positions, ADM, SDM at the state level. His interests are theatre, poetry and music. There is a lot more to say about Mr. Chauhan and his contributions, but time won't permit me to do that. However, I would definitely like to mention one thing about him, that he's a great poet. He has been largely appreciated by famous Urdu poet Rahat Indori and world-renowned poet Gulzar. Mr. Chauhan's book on poetry will soon be published. I extend to you a very warm welcome and hope you have a nice time this evening. No other element in this world is as significant as light. It is the light that shows us the way by dispelling the darkness. It is because of the light that man is able to attend to his daily duties. The flame of a lamp has two significant qualities. One is to banish darkness, the other is a continuous upward movement. Even if a lamp is kept in a pit, the flame is directed upward. The flame represents the spiritual knowledge which drains the oil or the innate tendency as it burns. The upward movement of the flame denotes the path to wisdom and the path to the divinity. To corroborate Dikshan International's 5th annual function, Buzz, let us begin with the lighting of the lamp. I invite our Honorable Chief Guest for the evening, Mr. Ranveer Singh Chauhan, respected Mr. Ganga Singh Chaudhary, and our Principal, Mrs. Priti Tikku, to please come forward and formally begin the event by lightening the lamp and paying the tribute to Ma Saraswati. Chief Guest, Mr. Ranveer Singh Chauhan, all the distinguished guests, media personalities, and our dear parents, I, on behalf of Dikshan International family, heartily welcome all of you to Dikshan's 5th annual function. We are delighted, grateful, and honored by the presence of each one of you. What you experience this evening will take you in a different world. We begin the show by presenting you welcome dance put up by the students of classes 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th.
little children entering the school. These little ones greeted, some by beautiful people who make school a place worthwhile.
We saw these wonderful people play various roles in the school. They were planning and organizing classroom activities, understanding the basic needs of students, encouraging and motivating the students to do better.
They are called teachers. In my opinion, teachers are like mother for children in the school. They love, care, and instruct the children like mother do at home. Teachers make children feel comfortable and encourage them to learn.
We saw children enthusiastically entering the school. They hugged their teachers as the teachers greeted them love. With a